Zussman. We're talking about apples and parts of the apple. We have an apple sheet that you can do at home that's homework. It's called Life Cycles of an Apple. It shows different parts of the growth of an apple. We're going to read a story in just a moment that will tell us all the different parts. This is the rain, an apple pie, an apple tree, and the blossoms. We have to figure out which order it goes into. The other part is parts of an apple. There's the core, the seeds, the skin, the leaf, the stem, and the flesh. We'll also discover that in our story, and then you can do this homework. So here we go. It's called Amazing Apples. All about apples. Apples are crisp and round and juicy. Do you want to learn more about amazing apples? Let's read on. Apples come in many colors. There are green ones, there are red ones, there are yellow ones, and there are lots and lots of different colored yellow ones. There's some that have a little bit of red and a little bit of green, some that have a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow. An apple has different parts. The stem, which is up here, is on the top. The skin covers the outside. An apple skin helps to protect it. When you cut into an apple half, it looks like this way. And here's the seeds in the middle, and this is the flesh. The part that you eat is called the flesh. When you cut in this way, you can see the core, which is the middle part that holds the seeds, but you get rid of that part. You don't really eat that. Apple trees. Apples grow on trees. In winter, an apple tree rests. Sometimes the branches get covered with snow. Have you ever gotten covered with snow? It's pretty cold. In the spring, apple tree is thirsty. It drinks up the rain that falls. The rain helps flowers grow on the branches. So the first part when a tree sprouts is on the branches is the flowers. In summer, the flowers turn into tiny little apples. Does that look like an apple you've ever eaten? I've never had one like that. As a tree soaks up the sun, the apples grow and grow. In fall, the apples are big and juicy. That little bud turns into an apple like that. Can you believe it? That means they are ripe and they're ready to be picked. Eating apples. There are many ways to enjoy apples. Apple pie is yummy. It's one of my favorites. It is an American favorite kind of pie. Applesauce is yummy. It's made from mashed apples. It makes it easy for babies to eat. I love applesauce too. Apple juice is yummy too. The juice is squeezed out of an apple. It takes 4 apples to make 1 glass of juice. It's a lot of apples. But there is nothing like a plain apple. Why? It is shiny and sweet and simple to eat. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The end. Hope you enjoyed the story. See you later, friends. Bye.